Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Loida C. Antimano. I am 25 years.
Okay. Are you college graduate?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you single?
Yes, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in abroad?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and to support my family.
Okay. Hello, Miss Antimano. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Have you worked as domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many members of the family that you serve?
4, ma'am.
How many children?
2, ma'am.
How old the children when you begin to work there?
8 and 2.
Okay, so do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me your way of baby caring?
Taking a bath, feed them,
What else?
play with them, and tell them stories.
Okay, aside from that, what is your main duty?
Cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, and cooking.
Okay, so can you sing a children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please try?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them apart, so clean and bright.
Okay, so do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino food, ma'am.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you describe your personal character?
Responsible, honest.
Are you friendly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how do you perform as a good domestic helper?
I will follow the rules and regulation of my employer. I will promise to finish my contract
Oh.
and
Okay, thank you.
thank you.